Okay, July challenge, day 9. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. All right, today I'm going to repair a couple windows. I'm going to show you one right now. The glass is broken and I'm going to take this window out. Okay, first thing we need to do is pull these relief There's one on each side. Okay, they just stick out. And then we need to lift the window all the way up. Okay. That then releases these springs. Okay. You have one on each side. Now, and the window just comes out. Okay. Now, it's under tension the way it is right now, but I need to take one of these out. It's under a lot of pressure, so be careful. All right, then it comes out and you let it up. And that hook has to go back into here, okay? All right, I'm gonna take this with me to go buy what I need for the other window. Okay, now what I do is take out the window, put it on top of this piece of plywood, and then we're gonna remove these aluminum pieces first to get the broken glass out. They're kind of tricky. Work your way around. The other way is it's already broken glass. You can remove the glass and then take these out. I prefer to do it ahead of time instead of dealing with a bunch of broken glass. Okay, once you have all the aluminum edge out, now you want to work on getting this glass out. Be very careful. It's very easy to get cut. So work very slowly. If you have to break more of the glass, you break it. But work it out. Okay, now that you have all the glass out, let's go ahead and get this all cleaned up. Get all the silicone and everything out of here. Okay, all the way around. Okay, once you have it all cleaned up, put a bead of silicone in here. Nice, flat, continuous bead all the way around. Okay. Now once you have your silicone all the way around, put your bottom in first. Okay. Okay. Okay, now that you have your glass in, put your aluminum strips back in. Now some of them might be a little bent, but just work with it. Okay, now once you have all the aluminum in, your glass is in, go over, don't go all the way to the top, just go in to the window frame. Okay, now they're in. Okay, now bring them down. It's grabbed it, it's already grabbed the top of the springs, and you bring it all the way down. Okay, that's it. Now, okay, glass is fixed, and now the window's working fine. Okay, Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you on the next one.